everyone, I'm Karen, GTM from Hyperleap. Welcome to our product launch. So last year, we have launched the HyperSort, our robotic sorting solution. And today, I'm very excited to show you our new product, HyperWall node, our robotic put wall. But first of all, let's talk about the problem, what we can solve, and why we build this HyperWall node. If you talk to someone who works for warehouse today, you will keep hearing the same thing. Automation is really expensive, and introducing equipment takes a long time to pay back. And if your business changes, you will be stuck with the equipment you cannot use. But if you stick to the manual work, and you will face another question. The slow efficiency and constant human mistakes. This is especially true for e-commerce or 3PL warehouses. They process tons of orders and shipment every single day. So it's really a headache every time the peak season hits, right? So the efficiency, cost, flexibility, it feels like you can only pick two. So the question is, can we have one solution to get all these three done? That's exactly why we built HyperWall node. It's a compact and light and fast sorting machine that we can balance efficiency and flexibility. And what's the most important, the price is very competitive. We offer these two standard model. One is HyperWall node Lite. It uses one node and can deliver 500 to 700 pieces per hour sorting ability. It's perfect for small warehouses who want to store automation with low risks. And another model is our HyperWall node Plus. It comes with two nodes and can deliver 1,200 to 1,500 pieces per hour. This one is built to scale as your business grows. And our goal is simple, makes warehouse automation easy for everyone. And with HyperWall node, you don't need to rebuild your facility or make a big investment. You can get automation. The biggest highlight of HyperWall node is how quick and simple it is to set up. Each node model only weighs 220 kilograms and takes only 4 square meters of space. And because it adapts modular design, so it only needs 2 workers to finish the whole assembly in 10 minutes, seriously. And we have a short video to show you how installation. As you can see, this HyperWall node model can fully set up in just 8 minutes. And you turn it on, you can start the sorting orders in the very same day. It's truly plug and play. Besides this, HyperWall node is designed to involve with your business. Our sorting flipper can flexibly move and drop items at any position, and you don't need to fix the shelf layer height and the tote size at all, and which means you can full control to configure your total counts and layout according to their size. And this is super helpful for 3PL and fulfillment operators. Like today you do apparel, and the next day the cosmetics, and then like the mixed e-commerce orders. HyperWall node never limits what you can handle. And we also spend a lot of time about the operator experience. Like our interface is simple and easy to use. Everyone can learn it in minutes. And the square can adjust the position to the people of different height. These are small touches, but makes all the work, daily work, much easier and smoother for your team. And many customers must worry about how to integrate this new equipment to your existing system. It's also easy. We provide these two integration ways. First, we provide the standard API connection for your current WMS or other business system. Second, you can directly import orders just through Excel for quick use. See, either way is pretty easy, and there will be no trouble with your business. And we also provide these two optional upgrades to meet your higher needs. The first one is this put-to-light seating wall, and with the electronic tag and lights. And each shoot can light up when the order is ready. So you don't need you can pick it immediately instead of waiting for the whole batch to finish. And we also provide another one. This is our AI camera installed on the sorting flipper, and it can record real-time footage during the whole sorting process. So if you have any order disputes, you already have clear records to solve them quickly. And now let's talk about my favorite part. I will show you the scalability of the HyperWall node. You can scale HyperWall node to meet different throughput requirements, and the process is as fun as building with Lego. You can store with one node light at 700 pieces per hour. It's good to store with automation. And if you need higher capability, add another node to upgrade to Node Plus, and it runs at 1,500 pieces per hour, double the capability, and still takes up less space. And you can also connect these two HyperWall Node Plus side by side with a short conveyor like this. And this setup can provide over 2,000 pieces per hour. It's good for expanding middle-sized warehouses, right? And you can also link the multiple units end to end, and you will get a continuous sorting line with throughput over 3,500 pieces per hour. And for even higher throughput requirement, and we recommend our HyperSort solution. It's HyperWall integrated deeply with the EGV fleet to build a sorting network to achieve more. This is what we say about scalability about HyperWall node. From one single unit to a full system, you can scale your throughput step by step from 0 to infinite. HyperWall node solve all sorting problems, but there one part of the process still relies on manual labor. It's feeding atoms into the machine. As we know, the labor costs keep going on, and the warehouse consistently struggle on boost the output with fewer workers. That's why we build the solution for this final manual step. So today we are introducing our HyperPick. It's a robotic picking workstation. Respectively, we provide two standard models of HyperPick. The first one is HyperPick A. It's based on the articulated robotic arm. It has 6 degrees of freedom, so it will be more flexible, matched with our HyperPick HyperWall node light. And the another one is HyperPick S. It's equipped with Scara robotic arm. This kind of robotic arm will be more stable and efficient. So it is designed to work with our HyperWall Node Plus to meet its higher sorting throughput. Our HyperPick comes with AI vision, the robotic arm, and barcode scanner to fully automate the feeding work. And you don't need to register the SKUs in advance, because it has it can work with more than 10,000 products type right out of the box, and there is no need to arrange the goods neatly either. It can pick mixed and stacked and disorganized items, and can fix small picking errors automatically, like it can repick readily after the picking errors. All these are provided by our intelligent algorithm and system design. And next, let me share some real customer cases. Our first example is 3PL warehouses that fulfills the order for famous coffee brand. Before, their staff have to walk into the shelf to pick up the items for each other. So it's really a heavy work and very slow. Now our staff just need to walk into shelves for a few times to do whip picking, and our hyperpick node can do the whip sorting. This model helps the customer a lot to reduce their labor cost and improve fulfillment efficiency. And next is a cosmetic warehouse. As you know, the cosmetic business is hard. They have to deal with tons of different SKUs and lots of the free samples, various of many products. Some are very small to mix, right? And the shipping mistake will cost a lot of money. So use HyperWall node. It can not only handle the complex order, but also because the process is automated, we can reduce the error rate to almost zero, which helps us a lot to save costs. The third one is a project in Chongqing. Chongqing is a Chinese famous city because it's delicious food and hot weather. So the customer deployed the HyperWall node before summer. The warehouse now needs 4 less manual work. The operator only need to feed to the robotic system and can enjoy the easier and more comfortable working conditions. And the warehouse no more worry about the staff shortage in high temperature or the peak season. Last one, a quick update on our cooperation with Shunfeng SF. It's a top global express brand, and we deployed the HyperWall node in their distribution center to do the parcel sorting. What I want to say here is our system is not just for small or middle warehouse. We can also provide solutions for and scale deployment for the big customers. Today, we have shown you more than 2 new products. Our HyperWall node makes sorting automation available for every warehouse, no matter big or small. And HyperPick covers the last manual step to the whole workflow. Together, they will help us to build a perfect order fulfillment solution. Our products already running at the customers' facility. So if you see the opportunity we are ready to partner with you. Thank you, everyone. That's all for today's product launch. See you next time.